If you are looking for easy, high protein fish tikka recipe, you need to try this. Hi, this is Margarita from my lifestyle journals. I have lost weight eating recipes like this. Now I do balanced, high protein, moderate carb lifestyle, and this sardine fish tikka is one of my favorite recipe. You need to try this. Let's begin. Now take 2 cans of sardine fish in a bowl, then add your spices. Here I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of paprika, and I'm going to mix it very well. When I added these spices, I realized this bowl is small, so I had to transfer it in a bigger bowl. That's okay. Also, you need 2 tablespoons of chopped onions, 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped coriander leaves. Then you need 1 egg. You need to beat it first and then add. Then 2 tablespoons of shredded cheese. Then half cup of almond flour. That's it. Now it's time to mix it. This is the time that it doesn't fit inside this ball. So then I transferred it into a bigger bowl. Now I can have more room to mix and make a ball. So you have to mix it very well and then make a small ball with your hand. Use your both hand if you are feeling like it is sticking too much in your hand. You can have a little bit of olive oil in your palm and then make a bowl and then put it in a plate. Now take a baking tray with parchment paper and place all the fish tikkas on the tray. Keep the distance. It will not spray like cookie because it's not a cookie dough, but to have the distance to spread the air to all over the tikka. I do not have the spray oil today, so I'm going to use olive oil. Press on each of the tikka with tissue paper so that it gets baked very nicely and looks brown and shiny. If you have spray oil, you can use that. I basically use avocado oil or olive oil to keep my food more healthy. Also use coconut oil for cooking curry. So one batch of tikka I'm going to bake in the oven and one batch I'm going to cook in my air fryer. You also can fry it in oil. In my opinion, anything you fry that tastes better. But today I am going to bake and doing air fry for this video purpose. You can try any method you feel is convenient for you. Now it is going into the oven at 350 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. In half the way, you turn the tikkas. For air fryer, it takes less than the oven. It takes 30 minutes, and in between, it needed to turn. Both ways, it is well cooked and so delicious. It is a very simple, easy recipe that you can try at home when you are craving fish tikka. You are craving fish or any tikka. It is a quick and high protein whole food recipe that will help you to stay on track. If you are on your weight loss journey, or if you like to eat high protein, moderate carbs, living a whole food lifestyle, and you like this kind of recipes, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and families that need this kind of recipes. Get my free meal plan and check my weight loss guide in the description that helped me to lose weight with a low carb whole food lifestyle, and I will come back with new recipes like this in my next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay happy, keep cooking healthy food. Thanks for watching.